Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to cancel your AMC Plus but not sure how? Whether you subscribe to Amazon, Roku, Apple or directly via AMC Plus, I'll show you the step-by-step process to cancel your subscription on any platform. So let's get started. If you signed up directly on your AMC Plus, follow these steps. Go to www.amcplus.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon and go to subscription. Scroll down and select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And be aware, you will still have access until the end of your billing period. So, if you sign up to if you're asking about your Amazon.com, go to simply Amazon website, go to Accounts and List, Memberships and Subscriptions, find AMC Plus and click Manage Subscription. Click on Cancel Channel and confirm. You won't be charged after your current billing cycle. Next, if you talk about Apple, go to Open Settings, Apple ID, and then go to Subscriptions. There you will find AMC Plus option. Click on Cancel and it's as simple as that. If you're talking about Google Play, open your Google Play App Store, go to Profile, go to Payments and Subscriptions, click on AMC Plus, and then click on Cancel. And it is as easy as that. Once it's cancelled, your access continues until the end of your billing period. So, here's how you know how to cancel your AMC Plus subscription, which is pretty easy. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.